Hi guys, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to draw some facial expressions using photo references to guide us. We're going to use some expressions that are quite severe to give our heroes that strong and determined look. So I've chosen photos of models that convey those emotions. I'm going to show you some tricks when drawing facial features that we can use for serious, strong, or powerful expressions. So let's get to it. Let's start with this woman here. The first thing I'll do is block the head. Just very quickly, we can block it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the model. We just want to know how to take the expression of this character to our own style. At this stage, we're not really looking to find the features that identify the character. We're just looking to understand how to transfer the expression to our own way of drawing. So gradually copy all of the features, and you can use this to guide you for the anatomy. I'm drawing the lips in my own style, kind of how I like to draw them. The same for the nose and for the rest of the face. For example, this woman has slightly fallen eyes, and I'm making them a little bit different. So this is up to you, depending on your style and your taste. But just experiment. If you want to copy the features exactly, you can do, but I recommend you do it like this. We're going to focus now on the features that tell us whether a person is serious or strong. Generally, a serious pair of lips and eyebrows arched downwards, then up a little bit at the ends, could be quite interesting. This is the perfect moment to see if certain features look serious or strong. As you see, the look is quite serious and cold and direct. It's not really warm or friendly, not a sweet face, if you see what I mean. So once we've copied these features, captured these features, we have everything we need to create that severe expression for our character. When I say severe, I don't mean bad or mean. I mean that I want our heroine to be strong and powerful, and that's what her expression needs to show us. It can't be someone who's totally happy or who transmits a kind of sweetness because, as I said, a hero is strong and powerful, whose job is saving lives. We need to bear all of this in mind when we're drawing our characters. So we'll finish up the features for this character. You can copy the hairstyle if you want, but I'm making my own. I'm finishing the neck and the shoulder, and more or less that's our character there. I think we've captured her expression quite well. Okay, let's draw the next woman from the front. This one is a bit simpler, more what we're used to drawing. So we'll quickly block the face and the expression, just generally. I'm going to follow the shape of the face that this woman has to guide me, but as I said before, I'm not going to copy the features exactly or try to make it the same woman. I'm just interested in the expression more than anything. This woman could easily be a hero. It's like she's saying, I'm here, I'm strong, I'm powerful. And that's exactly what we're looking for. I'll carry on blocking the rest of the face. For example, the hair, the ears, the nose. These are things that don't change the expression so much. Now let's go with the lips. The lips need to have a curve to make them more serious. She doesn't need to look angry, but she does need to be slightly serious. When drawing the eyes, as I said before, you can draw them in your own style if you like. You can follow the reference or not, whatever you prefer. I've decided not to, I'm following my own style. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to exaggerate that arch. I'm going to exaggerate it quite a lot to give a hard look to my character, making her even tougher. You can do the same if you want. Otherwise, you could use a different type of face. It's really up to you. Once you've completed the features more or less, you just need to finish off the hair, the neck, the jaw, whatever you need to finish drawing. But basically, the features are there and they work. The next woman we're going to draw we'll do in 3/4. Only we'll draw her towards the other side, the left. Usually, it might be harder to draw a face on the left if you're right-handed, as usually people who are right-handed draw the faces on the right, and left-handed people obviously to the left. It is good to learn both ways, though. So again, generally, we'll block the features. We'll start with the nose. And as you see, I'm drawing the lip with this curve to make them more serious. We don't want to be too friendly or sweet. We want an expression somewhere between a smile and a more serious face. We need to look for that balance. I'm going to gravitate towards the serious side a little more. Again, I'm drawing the eyes in my own style. I'm drawing the face in my own style too, and I'm not really paying much attention to the reference model. I'll draw the eyebrows arching down again, but not too curved. A serious expression is basically drawing the eyebrows with a slight downwards curve. We don't want her to look angry, as I said before, but we can tell she's serious and alert. Highlighting the eyelashes is also interesting when drawing women. Obviously, we don't all have very dark or prominent eyelashes, but if you want to make the character look more feminine, more female-like, then this can look nice. You could also shade the bottom lip to get a similar effect, and these are just little tips you can use when drawing female characters. Let's carry on with the character's face. We'll finish up the neck, the hair, the face, anything you've left unfinished or you're not sure about. For example, I'll cut the hair back a little bit at the back because she has her hair up, so I don't really want that curve. Okay, just finishing with this character. I really like this woman's expression. It's very serious. She's looking up, but her head is pointing down. And this is an interesting expression. It has an almost cheeky look, but at the same time it's strong and serious. So I'll carry on quickly blocking the character's pose, the hair, etc. I'm going to draw very simple details. I'll start with the nose. I'll make the mouth going down to make her more serious. I'll arch the eyebrows downwards and the ends upwards. This way she has that harder, tougher expression. Okay, we've got the features more or less, and if you look, we've captured the expression pretty well. All that's left is to determine the shape of the face and the hair, the final details, and with that the drawing is practically finished. A general study of features and expressions is very interesting because we can learn a lot about how our characters express themselves. An eyebrow or a lip aren't always the same. wherever you place them. You always need to consider the curvature, for example, to make one expression or another. The nose, for instance, isn't so important. It doesn't really change the expression so much, but the mouth and the eyes are always key. So now you have all these things in mind, we're going to continue studying the characters we're drawing. We'll search for some references, and I'm going to show you what characters I'm using to guide me for my hero designs. I hope you're still enjoying the course, and I'll see you for the next lesson.